trash. This is trash. And you're gonna send me this trash. Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. We are the Just Gotta Knows, and I'm Stephanie. And today I am going to do a Thredup unboxing. If you are unfamiliar with Thredup, Thredup is like a second-hand retail store, I guess you can say. You can go and shop on there. They also have like little subscription boxes, and then they have rescue boxes. So I got a rescue box. So with the rescue box, you don't know what you're getting. It's just a mystery box, I guess you could say. And they have different categories, mixed clothing, they have handbags, they have jeans, they have designer stuff, scarves. So I've been kind of looking around at other people's videos and seeing if they've been getting good stuff or not, or whatever. A couple of the videos I've been watching, it just depends on where their articles are coming from. So different states or whatever have been doing really good and some haven't. So word on the street was that Arizona was sending out some pretty good stuff. So today's box is a 30-pound DIY denim. So my box came from Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm fingers crossed hoping that I got a good little box. So I don't know if Arizona is sending out like good boxes for mixed items or jeans or what, I don't know, but a lot of people have been saying Arizona has been good. This box is a 30-pound box. My last box was 15. So this does have more articles of clothing in here. And like I did in the last one, I opened the box and threw it in the wash. Anyways, let's jump in and see if I got anything great. And some of these brands I may not know, so I may need your help in the comment to tell me if that's a good brand or not. So first thing we got, it's maternity pants. Okay, I've never put maternity pants on my closet, so I don't even know if this would sell. Oh my gosh, don't tell me this is the way my box is gonna be. Indigo blue. I mean, it's in good condition. Okay, so far, not liking it. Okay, next I got another dark wash with some like fading. These are Old Navy, and you can tell they've had some wear. They're a size 10 regular. They look kind of short, but it says regular. I don't know. I guess, I don't know. Probably won't get very much for those. Okay, so next are these, another dark pair. Skinny. These are J. Crew size 4. You guys see this like little pulling here? So this is basically trash to me. I won't sell this. That's really annoying because I mean it was a semi-decent brand, and then you're gonna send me this trash. But I expected there to be trash because it is a DIY, which whatever. I'm gonna end up using this as like practice for like distressing my jeans, I guess. So I'll put it in the trash pile. So next we have these red maroon pants that are from Earl, size 12. I've never heard of this brand. I want to see some pull here too. I've never had this happen to my jeans, so I don't know if this is because it's been worn a lot. I mean, trash. Next, we have these black Calvin Klein. They're a size 8 by 30. These are like extremely faded. They are skinny. Why are these like that? What causes this? There's like pulling here too. This is trash. Next, we got another pair of black pants. These are Old Navy, skinny. These seem to be fine. They're just very faded. So maybe I can dye these. Can you dye black jeans back to being black again? I don't know. Another pair of black jeans. These are made and crafted by Levi's. Is made and crafted, is that by Levi's? I want to say that's what this says. These are a 31 by 32. Yeah, they are Levi's, I think. I don't know. I mean, this is a good pair, I guess. Okay, next thing we have are these squeeze shorts, size 14. So I'm assuming these are kids. I've never sold kids items on my closet either, so I don't know if I'm gonna start or if I'm gonna just donate this. So I don't know, Kyle. Next we have these jeans that are from Gap. They are size 8. I mean, these look decent actually. Ow. It's a pretty color. They seem to be good. Good, I was getting kind of worried. Okay, next we have these lighter shades. Some distressing. These gotta be kids. They're small. Old Navy jeggings. These are a size 10, so these are also kids. I don't know about selling kids. I know nothing about kids stuff. I mean, I know nothing about my stuff either, but whatever. I can already see this crap right here. Do you guys see it? Like, wrinkling up right here. These are Gap. They're true skinny. Size 28 regular. It does it on the butt too. This is so annoying. Trash. Next we have some shorts. These are Coldwater Creek, size 20. These look to be in good shape, so that's not bad. Next we have these Lee shorts. These are a 6. These are in good shape, I guess. I don't know if Lee makes any money. More kids stuff. This is from, I don't know, but it's a 4T. Riders. Okay, next we have these light jeans. These are from, I don't know how to say this, SP Black. SP Black, I don't know if that's a good label or a trash label. I don't know. These are a 29. I mean, they look to be in good condition. There is some distress, but look at the bottom. Like, I would never wear this kind of junk. I'm not gonna say junk because it might be your style, but I would never. It looks like this was a jean, and then they had extra material and decided to make a little, like, I don't even know, like a little covering. I mean, whatever. Okay, next we have these Old Navy. These have got to be kids, just by looking at it. Yep, 12 regular. They have this for when your kid decides to grow. I mean, these are a decent jean, but I still don't know if I want to sell kids stuff. Next we have this skirt that looks homemade. I mean, it is from Milky Way. Guys, like, it legit looks like a grandma made it. Not that grandmas can't sew, because mine could and can actually, but it just doesn't look, I don't know, guys. Okay, got more kids stuff. This is from Zara. This is like an olive green. This is really pretty actually, like a pretty pant that if I had a kid I'd put it on her, but I don't. This is size 5. Next I have these Lee. These gotta be kids too. They're short. The lettering is peeling off. These are, yep, kids. These are a 12 Husky. Has the buttons. I mean, they look to be in good condition. I may start selling kid stuff since half of my box is kids. Okay, next we have the Cheyenne. This is a country wear it mean it. I guess it's like a country brand. I mean, they look to be in good shape though. These are a size 30 long. Next we have another pair of kids pants from Faded Glory, size 8 regular. I mean, at least the kids stuff is good. Okay, next we have these black skinny with some like pulling here. Okay, for people saying Arizona had really great stuff, I'm starting to disagree with you. These are J brand. Is J brand a good brand? Size 28. This is gonna go in the trash because it has that gathering. So annoying. Another pair of Old Navy with, you can already tell, this size 8. I have a lot of DIY stuff like that I can practice with. So next we have these, don't look to be too shabby, with the cut off jean, distressing. These are STS Blue. Is this a good brand or no? It's a size 24. These are called the Karen Crop. That's a good jean. Okay, next we have these dark denim. Is this, what kind of brand is this? I don't know. It's a 16. These look, are these black? They may be black. Look a little faded. Looks okay from here. Except there's some wear here in the crotch area. Okay, next we have these light wash Arizona crop. They gotta be cropped. They're size 7. They're hemmed at the bottom. These are in good condition. This, just feeling it, feels like trash because it feels very worn. These are Rocks and Indigo, size 8. Well, they're trash because there's this. This looks like it will tear. Look at this crap. Like, you see this? Like, I could see through it. That's trash. Next, we have this Candies jeans. Do they still sell Candies? I know what, like, this is like bell bottom flare. And it has some like graphic here with like a lot of distress. These are a size 7. Do they still sell Candies? I know there was Candies when I was in school. That was a long time ago, but I don't know. Next we have these kid jeans, High Sierra, size 10. I got a lot of kids stuff here. My last box, I didn't get anything for kids. Okay, next I have these Levi shorts, size 8. These are hemmed here with the cuff. I mean, these look like in good shape actually. I'm glad. Okay, we also have these dark wash American Eagle, size 8 short, skinny kick, super stretch. So these look to be in good shape. Ooh, look at their logo is in like a shimmery stitch. I'm down to my last two things. This short is Joe's. Is Joe's a good brand? They're a size 28. These look cute. Like, maybe I can fit into these. I like these for me. And then the last thing in my box are these white Lucky brand jeans. I hope this pair, well, I hope it's good first. Let me check it out. These actually look really new. I don't know, but it's Lucky brand. Has their logo in their pant. Size 2 or 26. These are the Lola boot jeans. I really hope these pair of pants make my money back for my box because this was kind of a dud. Okay, so in this box I got 33 items, and this was a 30-pound box, and it cost me $48 plus a $5.99 shipping. My total came out to $53.99. So I got 33 articles, so it came out to about $1.63 per item. However, half of my box was not sellable. So 7 items are not sellable to me because they have that gathering, and I'm just not gonna sell something like that to people. I wouldn't want to buy that, so I'm gonna end up using it for crafts. Like maybe those will be my guinea pigs for if I want to try tie-dyeing or distressing my jeans. I also got 8 articles of kids items, which I've never sold kids on or in my closet, so I don't know if I'm going to start, which I may, because with 8 articles of kids and 7 no good, that's half my box. So I may have to sell the kids stuff so that I can make a good reasonable profit. So far I didn't like this box, and if this would have been my first experience, I would have really been like annoyed. I knew that what I was getting into, and I knew it was a gamble, and that's okay. My gamble in the first box was a lot better because I didn't have issues with any of the items. They maybe just not great name brands for Poshmark, but these, like, some of these are just unsellable. I wouldn't even be able to sell them for $5. But I don't know if I would try this again. I may, if you do see me, I may, because I had one good box and one not so good box, so maybe the third box will kind of teeter the seesaw over to one side or the other. But thanks for watching my unboxing of Thredup. I have another box of 5 items, so be on the lookout for that video coming soon. Hope you guys are doing great and staying healthy. See y'all next time.